Doubt. Don't we all have doubts? Every time we walk down the street, every time we have to make a decision. Yes, there are lots and lots of doubts. Where did these doubts come from? Do you remember? At the beginning of time? Go back all the way to the beginning. And we talk about Adam and Eve. What happened to Adam and Eve? They ate from the tree that God told them not to eat from, because the snake told them that if they eat from that tree, they are going to be like God. But what they didn't realize is that when they ate from that tree, it's called the tree of knowledge between good and evil. Now they have a choice between good and evil. Good and evil are equal. So lots of doubts, not so easy. Now we go through history and we have a problem with this idea of doubt. Every time we doubted Hashem, God sent us Amalek, which means he sent us the nation that if you take the letters of Amalek, Ayin, Mem, Lamed, and Kuf, you will get the same numerical value as Safek, which means doubt. So guess what, guys? When we're in doubt, God sent us a nation to tell us, sorry guys, if you're in doubt, you're in trouble. And that happened at the beginning when the Jews were in the desert going out of Egypt. They start to doubt Hashem and saying, oh, we don't have any food. We don't have what to eat. What are we going to do? They didn't see God in anything. And so God said, fine, if you have emunah, if you have faith, if Moshe's hands were up high, then what happened? Then they were winning. Why? Because when we look up to heaven and we look up to Hashem and we have emunah, then we win. And the same thing is going on in the story of Purim. Purim, the Jewish people had doubts in God. So what did they do? They went to the feast of Achashverosh, of the king, and at the feast, there were the kalim, there were the vessels of the temple, because their doubts were about the temple ever being rebuilt. So God said, you have doubts? You are going to this festive party. Guess what? I will send you another Amalek, this time in the form of Haman. And if we take the name of Haman and we look in the Torah and we see Hamin ha'etz tochalna, you ate from, did you eat from that tree? Hamin is the same letters as Haman. So when you eat from that tree of doubt, you will have Haman coming after you. We are now in a time that we have a new Haman, the nation of Iran, which was the nation of Persia. And therefore, guess what? If we have doubts in Hashem and we don't show God that we have emunah, that's when we're going to see this Ahmadinejad and this Khomeini coming after us. Khomeini will come after us with the whole Iranian regime. And they will want to destroy the Jewish people. But guess what, guys? We're going to have that faith in God and we will not be destroyed. What will happen? We will look at Hashem and say, Hashem, help us. Pick up your hands, look up at the sky and say, Hashem, we are going to be safe from this modern Haman. Okay, that will happen in Mitzvah Hashem, and very soon we will build the third temple. Have a wonderful Shabbos.